Okay, so we're at the Shilin night market. So what we're gonna do is just kind of work our way out of here, and we're just gonna kind of show you what it looks like a little bit. I did some separate videos that you might catch where I was actually I was eating foods. I went to the covered market, and then I also did one that came from the station down to here as well. So there was 3 other videos already with the night market, and I think this is actually going to come to an end. So what we're going to do is walk through this whole part with all the crowds. So we're basically all angled up to go directly down that way. So let's show you the night market. Check it out, Taipei 2023. Hey, Shilin night market in January. I don't know. I don't really have a reference if it's like super crowded or if it's not very crowded at all. It feels like it's pretty good. There's some pretty long lines in some places, but I don't know. Maybe it gets kind of crazy later. So I'm kind of anticipating that might happen. Got some different foods here. Or it's also a Friday is holiday weekend where people are leaving Taipei and going to their home. But I don't know, maybe this is more of a tourist place anyways. I don't really know. But I do know that we're here now. That's all I really know for sure. Okay. So we got some clothing and some food. We're going to be walking by the food again in a little bit. Separate video, I ate several things that were quite delicious. Probably saw me eating on camera for those. And actually right now I'm kind of looking at stuff. Now that I've been here for a little while, I can see that this part is more shopping. Now we get into the food part. I think that's the part that people want to see. So let me see, I think that one is punch. Yes, it's different when you come by something a few times because the novelty is gone. I did notice that this line is extremely long. It's like a mushrooms. So there's all these different variations of mushrooms. The line goes all the way down to the corner around there. So yeah, that line is extremely long, and that's what they're eating, waiting in line for. That one. Looks like that. Okay. Which one tea? Okay. Camera up a little bit. Okay, let's see what this one is. Taiwan pork. Okay, we have to get around a little bit. We're all caught up in that spot. There we go. Now we can move a little bit. Just kind of waiting for that one. I keep seeing that one right there. There's like some kind of French fry stuff that somebody's getting. They're coming down from the direction that we're going, so I think we'll try to find it. That's one that I definitely want. So now we're kind of getting in more food area here. It smells really good. Wow, okay. I can see this being a little bottleneck spot. I had those earlier. Those were so good. Okay. So this, now we're kind of stuck. Let's see here, we got watermelon juice. that's the one that I've been seeing. So I think that line is for this. So I think this is the one I'm looking at. Okay. So let's try that out. Okay, so this is the one that we just got, and kind of got a long line for it. Kind of long lines everywhere. So we're gonna angle over towards this direction, and I'm gonna eat it over here. It's a beautiful temple here. I think it's also a place where people are kind of sitting and eating a little bit. And I think I'm gonna eat as well. So I got these big massive French fries. And we'll come back out in a little bit. So I basically took those fries. I needed 2 hands to eat those. So basically I'm actually walked all the way down from that Family Mart way down there. It's like green and white. And basically walked all the way through. And what we're gonna do now is gonna try to find our way back to the station. So we're gonna navigate a little bit, and I don't know how the film's gonna come out. We'll just kind of see how it comes out afterwards. And trying to find the station could be another challenge as well. We'll see if that's even all right as well. So I think the way that we're gonna be going is this. I think it's this way. So we're gonna try to go this way and see. I also saw some stuff like massage. I think I was wondering if they have a foot massage, but the foot massage is 600. Oh, here's one for $4.99. Let's see here. The foot massage does look pretty tempting. So these are pedicure, manicure. Oh, okay. Mine ended up doing that as well. I don't know. I think I don't have enough Wi-Fi on my phone for it though. Okay. It's pretty tempting. I've been walking a lot, so if I had my phone charger with me, I think I would probably do that. What we're going to be doing is trying to find the station, and I don't know if I can do that. Oh, I think it's right up there. Looks like this is another entry into the Shilin night market. Actually, I might be a little disoriented. It says spa. I thought that was train station. So there's a Shilin night market sign, which is kind of confusing because let's just kind of see what this is. I think we might be walking around the sides of it. This might have been a spot where, well, anyways, I definitely need to go up that way. There's like KFC gas station. So this is actually, I didn't see this before either. So it looks like we're coming back into the market again. Oh, there's like pancakes, red beans, strawberry, giant sausages. Okay. Earlier I did another one where I ate some of these ones. They're like candy, strawberry and stuff like that. They're actually pretty good. Okay, so I was gonna do one that took you to Shilin back to the station, but it might be a while before I find the station. But anyways, looks like we're going to be navigating back in again. whole other part of the market. So I don't know how big this market is. It could be a lot bigger than I thought. Steaks. Huh. Banana stuff. Okay. Well, I think I'm going to try to see if I can kind of find my way to the station, and if I do kind of locate it, I'll I think this might be to the covered market right over here, because I see all the kind of game stuff. So, okay. So I think we're just gonna end it for now. Maybe end the whole thing. We'll see. Okay, so we basically came down this whole street all the way down this way. And I believe what we're gonna be doing is walking down this street right here. This looks really familiar. So I think this goes down to the station, and that's what we're gonna try to do if we can get around. And I think that's also the station right there. So I think that we're in the right spot. So we're a bit chaotic. So that's the latest update, and we'll just see if we can get down there a little bit. And I think I remember seeing this kibuki. So, okay. So I think this will take us all the way to the station. Kind of cool little place right here. Got all this Japanese cool stuff. So yeah, I think there's kind of a main street that goes all the way down. There's a circle, and we gravitate towards the right. So if I'm right, that's basically what we're going to be doing. Okay, so we just came down that street. Then I was the other time, I guess I went all the way down this street to the night market. So I guess the night market is kind of basically like somewhere in that direction. So that's basically what we did. And what we're going to do now that I see where we're at, step back a little bit. And what we're going to do is that's kind of cool too, all those decorations up there. So what we're going to do is walk down this way, because now I can see exactly where we are. And this circle, so actually if you're in the Shilin market and you're trying to get to the station and you're following this to see what happens, basically this little circle had the directions that showed me which way to go. And now that we're here, the station's not too far away. So, okay. Then we'll also just kind of show you where we were just at. I still haven't even seen I haven't even been to the tower yet in Taipei. I haven't even been there yet. Okay, so that's basically to the Shilin market. And then now what we're gonna do is navigate to the station. So if I remember right, that was kind of the landmark that pushed me into the market. And then right now we're just looking for a Circle K. So I think it's going to be down that way or over this way. I think it's going to be down this way. Well, I'm not going to give you very good directions for sure. I think it's down this way though. I do remember coming to this and it was like not, like I think I went all the way across it. So I think it's probably down this way. But we are kind of showing you a little bit of what the city looks like of Taipei. Okay, so now we're in these covered ones. And I don't think it's going to be that much more interesting, so I'll just keep the camera off until I get down to the end. Basically walked all the way from there, and now we're going to turn the corner. I don't think this will help anybody. There's a park that you don't want to go to. But I do think it's interesting just to see what's along the way anyways. And basically at this point we're pretty close to the station. And if you were to try to do it yourself, it's not too bad basically. It takes about 10 minutes. Approximately 10 or 12 minutes. And what I remember before Saw these kind of cool restaurants everywhere. What I remember before is that there's a Family Mart, like a Circle K convenience store that's right here, and that's basically right next to the station. So the station, they told me to go there, and then there's not many directions for it, but again, on the other hand, I guess I kind of understand why, because it's not really that hard to get to, and we're kind of on the last stretch, and the station is right there. And I guess the main thing is that overpass. So if you do try to find it, there's actually some mountains in the background too up there. So if you do try to find it, try to find that overpass right there. That'll be the key. So we're just going to navigate all the way to the station so you can see it. And that Family Mart's kind of the key for when you come out of it. I don't know if I should be in the middle of the road like that. I'm gonna say probably no, but I kind of wanted to get over here. Anyways, we're basically at the station, and that overpass right there is the station, and those signs up there are the station as well. So it's pretty dark. It's not even worth having the camera on, so we'll keep it on until we get all the way to the station, and then we're gonna end the video. So if you're still with me, it's amazing, it's incredible. Let's hope it's worth it. There we go. And there's the station, and there's more cool stuff to check out over there too. Okay, but we're gonna end this video. That'll be the end of this one. Shilin station. Okay, that was another street of Taipei. There's so much more to see, so just keep on checking the channel and checking it all out. Come on, let's go.